Yes, good morning, second class children. Are you all ready with the Hindi classwork notebook? Okay, so I hope everyone is ready, isn't it? Only for writing purpose, Hindi. No, you have to read, okay? Writing part is that is different, but reading also very most important. Do the reading and writing practice at home, okay, children? Okay, yesterday which matra we had learned? U ki matra. Okay, then had you understand that previous matra, or again you are getting confused with the previous matra? I hope that there should be no confusion while learning the previous matra. That is which matra I told you. We are in which letter? Fifth letter. But matra is in which place? Fourth place, isn't it? So e, u. We are in which letter? Fifth letter. And matra which place? Fourth place. Okay. So first letter is you forget about the first letter. Then you start writing, learning the what is that matra? A matra. Okay, you close this thing. Now a matra, choti, badi, and o ki matra, isn't it? So matra place is fourth, letter place is fifth. Okay, children. So get ready for the choti u ki matra. Yesterday, which exercise we have done it? Join the letter and matra and how to frame a words, isn't it? I hope this that class is very clear for you all. Now we will write the hard words. Okay, you have to write the hard words with the spellings. Okay, each hard word three times. So you should have to draw how many lines in your class work? 2 lines. Forget about the margin line. Don't count the margin line. Okay, ఆ మార్జిన్ లైన్ని కౌంట్ చేయొద్దు. దాని పక్కకి స్కేల్ పెట్టుకొని మార్జిన్ లైన్ పెట్టుకోండి. ఇలా 1 to 5 కౌంట్ చేసుకోండి. మార్జిన్ టు 1 to 5. Draw a line. Again 5 to 10. I had given the practice last year also like that. Use a small scale. Okay, just point out that 5 and 10, that mark it out with the scale and draw 2 lines and write each hard word three times. Okay, please take your parents help to tell your parents to just draw a line. If not, if you can do, that is much and far better. Just draw a 2 lines, very straight line it should be. Okay, then whenever I am writing on the board any hard words, you have to write very neat handwriting in your classwork notebook. Okay, so are you all ready? So come on, right now choti u ki matra hard words. Yes, are you all ready now? Come on, start now. Spell the word of gulab. Write on the blue line. Okay, so a teacher will draw a midline and I will draw the lines. So whenever I told you, no, first again I will show you. Only for the practice purpose teacher was showing. Touch the line. You have to touch the line, children. Okay, come on, right now spell the word of gulab. Ga ku choti u ki matra gu, la ku a ki matra la, ba, gulab. Like this you have to say and write. Leave a line. Second one, follow the words. Spell the word of kachua. Ka, cha, chaku choti u ki matra chu, a, kachua. Okay, again leave one line. Third one. Okay, murga. Spell the word of murga. Leave one line. Ma ku choti u ki matra mu, ra, ga ku a ki matra ga, murga. Fourth one, surahi. Sa ku choti u ki matra su, ra ku a ki matra ra, ha ku badi ki matra hi. Look at the ha letter, how teacher is writing on the board. Surahi. Okay, look at, don't break the letter and matra. See, look at your children, this is a letter. You should not give any gap in between the letter and matra. Don't do like this. This is wrong. Touch the letter and matra like this. Okay, the letter and matra has to be touched. You should not break. Don't break the letters, children, and complete the word and give a line. Surahi. Fifth one, pujari. Saint. What is the meaning of pujari? Saint. Okay, paku choti u ki matra pu, ja ku a ki matra ja, ra ku badi ki matra ri, pujari. Sixth one, bagula. Ba, ga ku choti u ki matra gu, la ku a ki matra la, bagula. Draw a midline. Now again you have to write 3 times. Okay, now if first row you had completed, then you go to the next page. Understand? First, listen children. First page you can write 7 or 8 words. ఓకే లిసన్ ప్రాపర్లీ. మీకు ఒక పేజ్లో 8 హార్డ్ వర్డ్స్ వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఇది బోర్డ్, నాది బోర్డ్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి ఐ హ్యాడ్ రిటన్ ఓన్లీ 6. ఐ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ ద స్పేస్ హియర్ టు కంటిన్యూ, సో ఐ హ్యాడ్ రిటన్ ఓన్లీ 6. నౌ యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ టు గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్, బికాస్ ఇన్ దట్ పేజ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ 3 times. ఓకే, మీరు ఒక్కొక్క వర్డ్ 3 times రాయాలి. 2 lines ఇలా డ్రా చేసుకొని మీరు ఏం చేయడం, యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ 3 times గులాబ్, 2 times class work, 1 time homework. Draw like this 2 lines. Understand? Is it clear? So first row, first page is completed. Now take down the next page. Okay, you don't write beside the words. Next page, again draw 2 lines. Again you should have to draw 2 lines. Get ready children. बुढ़िया, बा को छोटियों की मात्रा बू, ढा को छोटी की मात्रा ढी, या बुढ़िया. 8th one कुर्ता, काकू छोटियों की मात्रा कु, र, ताकू आ की मात्रा ता, कुर्ता. Look at teacher how I am giving the line on the word कुर्ता. Next one सुपारी, बिटल नेट. साकू छोटियों की मात्रा सु, पाकू आ की मात्रा प, राकू बड़ी की मात्रा री, सुपारी. 10th one spell the word of बटुआ, ब, ताकू छोटियों की मात्रा टू, आ, बटुआ. 11th one spell the word of कछुआ is completed. No, we will go with the चूहिया. What is that? चूहिया, mice. चाकू छोटियों की मात्रा चू, हाकू छोटी की मात्रा ही, याकू आ की मात्रा या, चूहिया. Like this you have to say the spell and write in the class work. Okay children, you have to spell the word and write with the letter and matra. Next one, spell the word of suman. साकू छोटियों की मात्रा सु, म, न, सुमन. Okay, next 13th one कुसुम, काकू छोटियों की मात्रा कु, साकू छोटियों की मात्रा सु, म, कुसुम. Okay, now come on, say all of you. So spell the word of gulab. You know the spell the word of, you how to spell the word? Can you able to say? Come on, spell. गा को छोटियों की मात्रा गु, ला को आ की मात्रा ला, ब, गुलाब. Okay, next one spell the word of कछुआ. क, छा को छोटियों की मात्रा छू, आ, कछुआ. Spell the word of मुर्गा. मा को छोटियों की मात्रा मु, र, गा को आ की मात्रा ग, मुर्गा. सुराही, सा को छोटियों की मात्रा सु, रा को आ की मात्रा र, हा को बड़ी की मात्रा ही, सुराही. Spell the word of पुजारी. पा को छोटियों की मात्रा पु, जा को आ की मात्रा ज, रा को बड़ी की मात्रा री, पुजारी. Spell the word of बगुला. ब, गा को छोटियों की मात्रा घु, ला को आ की मात्रा ल, बगुला. Now without spelling. Come on, say गुलाब, रोज, कछुआ, tortoise, मुर्गा, cock, सुराही, pot, पुजारी, saint, बगुला, crane. Okay, now 7th one. Spell the word of 7th one. बुढ़िया, बा को छोटियों की मात्रा बू, ढा को छोटी की मात्रा ढी, ढा को छोटी की मात्रा ढी, या को आ की मात्रा या, बुढ़िया. कुर्ता. Spell the word of कुर्ता. का को छोटियों की मात्रा कु, र, ता को आ की मात्रा ता, कुर्ता. शर्ट. सुपारी, पेटल नेट. सा को छोटियों की मात्रा सु, पा को आ की मात्रा प, रा को बड़ी की मात्रा री, सुपारी, पेटल नेट. बटुआ, ब, टा को छोटियों की मात्रा टू, आ, बटुआ, पर्स. चूहिया. Spell the word of चूहिया. चा को छोटियों की मात्रा चू, हा को छोटी की मात्रा ही, या को आ की मात्रा या, चूहिया, mice, सुमन, स को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा सु, म न, सुमन, फ्लावर, कुसुम, का को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा कु, स को छोटी ऊ की मात्रा सु, म, कुसुम. Okay, it's also same the same word flower. Okay, come on, say गुलाब, कछुआ, मुर्गा, सुराही, पुजारी, बगुला, गुड़िया, कुर्ता, सुपारी, बटुआ, चूहिया, सुमन, कुसुम. Is it clear, children? Can you able to follow me? Yes, you have to learn with the spelling and complete the word. Then only you will get the practice. Okay, so without spelling you can't do the practice, you won't get any words. Keep on doing this type of practice only with the letter and matra. Without spelling you can't do any practice, you won't get directly. Certain only still some few matra hai. Keep on doing this practice. When we will complete all the matra, then automatically what happens, you will learn you will learn the lesson very fast. Okay, you will learn the lesson very fast. Okay, that is why, because I am saying to learn with the spellings. If you learn with the spellings, that is very easily to understand and grasp the words. Okay, and you can pronounce also very easily. So keep on writing, do the classwork 2 times, 1 time homework. All this should be done in your classwork only. Write very neat handwriting, children. Tomorrow I will give the next exercise. This is hard words we had completed. Today we had completed the choti u ki matra hard words. So homework only 1 time. Homework you are writing only 1 time. Classwork 2 times. Okay, children. So classwork how many times I said? 2 times. Okay. So please keep on writing and do the practice with the spellings. Okay, same like children. So tomorrow we will start with the next exercise. Thank you, children. Take care.